Hi, I'm Tina.
I'm Ross.
And today we're going to be trying poutine. So we're getting ready to make a dish that's from our neighbors to the north, Canada, and that would be poutine. So I got inspired. I have a cheese subscription box, and I found out I was getting cheese curds as one of the items in my cheese box. So I thought, you know what, let's make some poutine. So not only did I have cheese curds, but we also had picked up a package of Bisto, and we have not used it yet. So I went online and looked for a recipe that used Bisto in poutine, and I found one. There is a site called Mr. Renwick's online classroom. It looks like Mr. Renwick is actually a science teacher in Canada, and he happens to have some recipes listed on his blog too. And since he did use Bisto, it looked pretty straightforward. I've just got some items here. We've got our fries ready to go to bake. I've got some of the ingredients here to make poutine, and we are going to put this together and give it a try. So we just prepped our first poutine, and Ross, I think you said you've never tried poutine before?
Never in my life.
I feel like I haven't either. I was at Disney World and I had a truffle poutine, but I don't think it truly was poutine. It was delicious, but I don't think they actually used cheese curds. They used a truffle goat cheese, and it was tasty, but we decided to go more traditional since we had some cheese curds. I know neither one of us is a huge gravy fan, but
Yeah.
we'll have to see how this goes. Boop. I just got some fries and gravy that time.
I just heard a squeak when I was eating the cheese.
Good, they're supposed to be squeaky, those cheese curds, so.
I thought it was a joke when you said it's supposed to squeak. It just squeaked.
Nope, they really do. This is kind of a tasty treat. This cheese is starting to get melted from the heat of the gravy and the French fries. We did bake the fries a little bit longer, as was recommended, to get them extra crispy, especially when you have all the gravy going over at the top of it.
Yeah, good. So this originated in Canada, correct?
As far as I know, yeah.
Okay.
Or at least they're taking credit for it. And I believe it's French-Canadian. Quebec?
Okay. So now that you've had this, the way it's been prepped here with cheese curds, and the way you had it before at Disneyland, or was it Disney World?
Disney World.
Okay. What is your preference?
Hard to say, because that truffle poutine, even though it wasn't authentic, was really good. Because you know how much I love truffle and truffle cheese, and it had, yes, I think, truffle salt or truffle oil on it, so it was really, really good. This seems more basic, but definitely a really nice comfort food, I think.
Nice.
It's nice on a cold winter's day. Filling, maybe not the most healthy, but
no,
definitely tastes good. What do you think?
Like it. Never had it before. You have cheese, potatoes, and gravy.
Can't go wrong with that, huh?
Can't go wrong with that. You know, if we're starting New Year's resolution, starting tomorrow.
Eat healthier tomorrow, right?
Yeah, but yeah, I like it. It's good.
Yeah.
I think you did a top-notch job. Thank you.
Yeah. So have you tried poutine? Do you like poutine? Do you have different variations? Let us know down in the comments. And if you like food tastings and food reactions, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you know when we publish a new video. So until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.
Yummy. All gone.
Yes. That was the squeakiest cheese I ever ate. I think it was even advertised that way, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's the cheese curds are supposed to be squeaky.
Yeah. Every piece of cheese in my mouth squeaked like
Yep.
a wet sneaker on a clean floor. It was very good. Thank you for making this.
Yep.
Top notch.
Now we're really full.
Yes.